Hi guys, I'm going to be doing, playing with my Barbie dolls, so it would be like a video and something. So we live in California, and in California it is like 80 degrees right now. It is so warm. But when it's cold, I'm freezing to death inside. Our heat pump doesn't work so good, and our neighbor's heat pump don't work so good. So I'm going to be doing, it's crazy in our family to be freezing when it's freezing outside. So we have another channel when it was cold outside and it was snowing and the babies went out. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you liked it, please subscribe in our channel and give us some thumbs up. Bye guys.